What are you doing?
So tiny.
What is that?
Oh, that's for me.
Whose name is on it?
I think it's got my name on it.
No, it's mine.
Really?
Has your name on it?
Yeah.
That's weird.
Huh.
You want some scissors?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think it is?
I don't know.
Did y'all order anything from school? Like books?
Do you need help?
And that could be easier.
It could probably be from school. Books or something.
Maybe it's from football?
Why would it be from football?
I don't know.
Or something. A bag of air. What?
What is it?
It's
What is that?
an iPad.
Are you kidding me?
No way. No, you didn't.
How did you get that?
Me.
Are you excited?
Yes.
What do you think about that?
That's so cool.
Your letter
So-
worked.
So you wrote her a letter. Tell me about that, Jack.
Well, I wanted it. And Mimi told me about it, and she told me to write a letter to her. And she said, we'll see, and I guess she got it.
Wow.
What do you tell her?
Thank you, Mimi. I know.
Does she love you the most?
Yes.
You want to write a letter? Go get it.